Hello there. Today we're going to fix a RMYD103 Sony remote where the buttons stopped working. Steps: pry the remote open, clean the rubber membrane, and then we're going to put it all back together. The first step is actually the hardest by far. A lot of these remotes come not with any screws, but they just have a bunch of plastic tabs. So get your best trusty bread knife or something long and flat and just work your way in there. Don't give too much pressure, but keep going along one edge and then kind of work your way. And without too much trouble, you should be able to pry it all apart. So as you take the remote apart, you're going to be left with the chipboard, which is arguably the most important part, the backing, which just holds the batteries and connects it to the chipboard, and the rubber membrane, which has all the buttons that haven't been working. Now, the front plate is pretty basic. You can just do a quick clean of that. The rubber membrane is something that you want to clean, but just the front. The back has a capacitive gel that talks to the chipboard, and you don't want to mess with that. So grab your favorite Q-tip and just get to work. Start cleaning out the little areas where the buttons contact with the rest of the remote. You're not cleaning the side that actually interfaces with the chipboard, ironically. Once you're done, put it all together. Make sure everything sits properly and you have the right feeling of all the button presses. Start by putting the chipboard into the backing. Lay down the rubber membrane with all of your buttons where it lines up from before. Make sure everything feels right. Get that faceplate on. And be sure to press the buttons that you just fixed really hard to make sure that all the connections are being made to that chipboard again. Confirm that your IR works by pointing a camera at it, and you can see it blink when you press buttons. And that's it. Hopefully your remote is working again. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and have a good one. Ciao.